I'm here with my friend Kristen, and we are in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane, and this is our lovely teaching kitchen that we have the honor of working in. I love it here.
It's such a nice facility.
And I'm happy to be working with some potatoes, I see. These are gorgeous.
Yeah, aren't they beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are purple potatoes, and they are just the deepest, most beautiful color.
Love the color of these.
And we're gonna use them today to make gnocchi.
So we're gonna make purple gnocchi.
Purple gnocchi.
Awesome.
Yeah, this is one of my daughters, her favorite color is purple.
Yeah.
And one of her favorite foods is gnocchi.
So it's a win-win.
It is a win-win.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's a great way to highlight their beautiful color.
One of my favorite foods is gnocchi too.
This is a win for everybody today.
I know, and I love these potatoes, and you know, I've got to recently kind of see all the different like specialty potatoes that are being grown in Washington, ones that I've never even heard of.
So many kinds.
Or seen before, you know, like some that you cut it and they're purple star-like shape in the middle, or
There's so many different
bright
varieties.
yellow and creamy on the inside when you cook. I mean, it's so cool, so I'm excited.
That's why we're gonna mix it up today.
Purple gnocchi.
And use this, to make something unique and
Okay.
fun. So we're just gonna start, we have a pound of these purple potatoes, and we're just gonna add them to our water and get them boiling,
Okay.
and just get them perfectly
Ready to go?
tender, fork tender. It'll take us about 10 minutes to get them ready to go.
Once our purple potatoes are soft, we start to peel off the skins.
And then we're gonna use this potato ricer. Have you riced potatoes before?
Have I made gnocchi before with someone else?
You did? Was it purple?
It was not purple.
Okay.
Not purple.
The ricer is a great way to get the potatoes into small little pieces without releasing too much of their starch, because then they get really gummy. But if you don't have a ricer, you could use like a fine grater, and just don't push too hard. You just want to delicately break them into smaller pieces.
This is such a beautiful color. After all the potatoes are peeled, Kristen slices them into smaller pieces so we can put them through the ricer.
So I'll load them in, and then you just turn the handle.
When all of our potatoes are riced, we start to mix in salt, flour, and eggs.
We can mix together.
Okay.
Break up any of those big
I mean,
chunks.
this is fun for kids to help.
It is. The hands-on things I find are the ones that are the most fun to get my kids involved in.
Especially when they look cool.
Once the dough is mixed together, we knead it and cut it into sections to roll out.
And we're gonna roll them into like you're rolling a snake with Play-Doh. You're
okay.
gonna roll them into a cylinder that's like about 3/4 of an inch.
Okay. 3/4 of an inch.
This is my kid's favorite part.
Yeah, this is fun. It feels really cool. I like gnocchi because you can put just about anything on it. You know, different sauces or nothing at all, or just olive oil or butter. Yeah.
We sprinkle some semolina flour on our rolled dough to prevent it from sticking, and then we cut the rolls into small sections. We stand our dumplings up and press down with a fork to create ridges.
20 minutes ago, these gnocchis, they were potatoes.
I know.
Here in the kitchen
love it.
with us.
That one looks like a Viking ship. not a gnocchi.
So the other cool thing about these is that we're gonna let some sit out. And as they sit out, the purple from the potatoes soaks into the flour we just added, and they just get to be a deeper and deeper purple.
Oh, pretty. How long do they have to sit?
So you can cook them right away, but if you want the purple to come out, you should let them sit probably about 4 hours.
Oh, okay.
And then the purple will really be vibrant.
Okay, I think these look awesome. Mostly.
After our gnocchi sits for a few hours, it's time to start cooking.
And then put it in the boiling water, and you'll watch they sink down to the bottom, and then as soon as they float up, then they're ready. So it really goes super quickly.
Yeah. So we have some bowls here with some sauce.
Yeah, we just have a nice, like an Alfredo sauce. It's really garlicky.
Yum.
And like you said, like we could put anything with it.
Anything.
Once they float to the top, they're ready for us to try.
And we're ready.
Yay!
See?
I love it. Look how pretty that is. Nothing but potato goodness.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's not a heavy
It's not super
taste.
heavy. They taste delicious.
And you still get the earthy potato.
Those are so good.
Thank you. We make a good gnocchi
Are you
team.
gonna make some more?
Do I need to
I'm
now?
gonna hold your bowl while you make some more.
To get Kristen's purple potato gnocchi recipe, head over to wagrown.com.